bujek. I don't know if I should say that. It's bujek. Anyway, yeah, today I was craving for liver steak, but beef. So like in Tagalog, it's atay ng baka steak. So like beefsteak in Tagalog. And yeah, that's how it is. If you're living outside of the Philippines and you're craving for Filipino food, you have no choice but to cook it for yourself, you know. Yeah, comment down below whoever can relate. Yeah, just say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
I can read it. Anyway, yeah, I was in the grocery store yesterday, and I was just like looking at the meat stuff, and I was just like, oh my god, there's beef liver, and I can't remember the last time I had beef liver. It's actually so good. I'm gonna speak in Tagalog. Atay ng kalabaw. I don't know if it's the same atay ng baka or atay ng kalabaw. Kalabaw is carabao and kalabaw is baka. So comment down below if you know what's the difference between the two, because I'm not sure. I know baka is the white cow and kalabaw is the one with the horn. I don't know. I'm sorry. Don't bash me, guys. Oh god. But yeah, let's cook. I'll prepare the ingredients and I'll get back to you. Ciao! Oh, my cat wants to say hi. Oh, she's somewhere there. I just finished cutting the liver, the onion. I remember. The onion and the garlic. Now I'm going to prepare the stuff I need for the marinade. So I'll get back to you. So I already marinated, or like I'm already marinating the beef liver. So here it is. You can like mash it up or mix it with your hand. Do whatever you want as long as your hands are clean, and my hands are clean. I wash my hands. We will leave this for minimum 30 minutes. You can actually leave it for more than that, but you can actually leave it overnight, I think, as well. But yeah, minimum 30 minutes. I'm gonna leave this for an hour maybe. Yeah, and then we can cook. So budgies, I already marinated the beef liver, so I will be frying it now, or cook it now. Yeah, I would show you guys how to do it. Like, not show you, but just like come along with me. I marinated it for an hour and a half. And yeah, let's cook. Yeah, one of my like my cousin, when he watched my first vlog, he was like, why did you put the garlic first? You have to put the onion first. And I was just like, yeah, but whatever, it's just gonna taste the same. But yeah, sometimes I put the garlic first, sometimes I put the onion first, but I think for this case I would put the onion first. What I'm doing now, I'm frying the liver a little bit before I put the marinade in. Don't throw the marinade, yeah, like it's You can use the marinade for the beef steak. The marinade in. You can put a little bit of water just to simmer the liver and make it softer. So Bujis, I would let this simmer and let the liver soften up, and I will get back to you. The beef liver steak is finished. I already finished cooking the rice as well, and it's already, what time is it? It's 3:23 in the afternoon, 3:25. Yeah, 3:25 in the afternoon, and I haven't eaten anything yet. I was just basically wanting to cook beef liver steak and show you guys my recipe, and yeah, I'm going to eat now. I just basically wanted to film and maybe include it in my vlog. Yeah, my head is just like full of ideas. I don't know, I just decided to shoot and vlog. Anyway, I'm going to eat now, and thank you Bujis for subscribing to my channel. Please don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button and notification bell to be updated for my upcoming vlogs. I still can't believe I'm saying this. Anyway, yeah, I would be uploading more vlogs for you guys to watch, Bujis. This is not just cooking vlogs, yeah, like I would be baking, I would be sharing a little bit about my crazy side. Not crazy, but like share a little bit about my life experiences in Germany. So watch out for that, yeah? Anyway, I would be eating now. My food is getting cold, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Ciao! You know it's good when you're eating using your hands and your leg up on your chair. Shout out sa mga Pinoy!